Ever wonder if those daily habits are truly promoting a balanced lifestyle? Today we dive into the world of wellness, discussing practical tips for maintaining equilibrium in your day-to-day life. First, consider the importance of hydration. It's simple and yet often overlooked. Drinking at least 8 glasses of water a day can help keep the body functioning at its best, flush out toxins, and even boost energy levels. Next, think about the foods that are consumed. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can provide the body with the essential nutrients it needs to perform optimally. Minimize intake of processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats, and remember to listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Exercise is another critical part of a balanced lifestyle. Incorporating at least 30 minutes of physical activity into your daily routine can significantly improve cardiovascular health, enhance mood, and decrease stress levels. This doesn't necessarily mean hitting the gym every day. It could be as simple as a brisk walk around the block or a quick yoga session at home. Sleep, often underrated, is vital for overall health and well-being. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a consistent sleep schedule and create a calm, quiet sleep environment to promote better sleep quality. Lastly, don't forget about mental health. Regularly engage in activities that reduce stress and promote relaxation. This could include meditation, reading, spending time in nature, or whatever it is that brings joy and calmness. To summarize, maintaining a balanced lifestyle is a multifaceted endeavor. It involves proper hydration, a balanced diet, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and attention to mental health. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about making small, sustainable changes that can lead to a healthier, happier life. So start today. Take that sip of water, go for that walk, choose that piece of fruit over the candy bar, and give your body the rest it needs. Small steps can make a big difference. This is your journey to a balanced lifestyle. Enjoy every step of the way.